I call this make do chili because I'm making do what I got in the house. It's not like I'm going to run out and buy stuff. See my mug collection? 20% stud and 80% muffin. That's right. So, this is here ground sirloin, and they had a special on it, so I got it. That's why I got it. And it's about 2.2 pounds, something like that. Yeah, maybe 2.4 pounds, somewhere in between that. Okay, I'm going to season the meat with some garlic powder. Add a little more. Good. Some Jane's Crazy mixed up salt. Put that in there, a little salt. Okay. Chili powder. What good is chili without chili powder? Chili powder. Gotta get this in the crock pot because that's probably pretty good. There you go. Because I gotta work on the truck again, you know? Let's see here. I'm gonna give it a smattering of rosemary just because I like the smell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just a little bit. Not too much, just a little. Okay. And try to do this in one hand here. Can't do it. Got a little bit of this chipotle pepper. Put it in my hand right there. Put a little chipotle pepper in there. Wonder if that's enough. Yeah, a little more. It wasn't enough. I think someone in there. Okay. We're gonna grill this up here. I'm using for health the Zola Corn Plus. We're gonna brown this meat good. And in the meantime, yeah, let's see what we got in here. Let's see, chicken and dumplings, no. Black eyed peas, nah. So we got some diced tomatoes. We got a bigger can up there, that should do it. Got some beans up there. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got some stuff for Chinese. What's this here? Reduced sodium Great Northern beans. I could throw that in there too. Yeah, I'm not like some people that have all kind of ice cream in the freezer. You got some sliders in there though. Got some corn. Yeah, I had the meat. I had the meat in the freezer, so that's why, you know, I got some more in there too. That's it. That's what I got for meat. Oh, I got some chicken. I got some loose White Castles there. I think I got one ice cream in there. Oh boy, I'm living high on a hog, huh? I wish you could smell how good this smells. Man, this smells good. You could check the Google store, see if there's like the smell app. See if they got like the Smell-O-Vision app. They may have it. I don't know if they have it yet. You know, technology is moving so fast. They may have the Smell-O-Vision app. Man, this is good. Man, it smells good. Okay, so what we gotta do over here? I'm gonna plug in my crock pot. There we go. Okay, now got kidney beans. I drained some excess water out. And what I like to do is, after I open the can, I kind of I go around the can with, I don't have one right here. I take a paper towel, I go around in the inside just to see if there's any little shavings of metal. Sometimes, maybe once in a while, I may pick one up. But anyway, chili beans, Bush's Best. Seems like they've been in the can for a while. Get out of there. Yeah, it's good using this stuff. It's good having canned food because it keeps for years, you know? Reduced sodium, Great Northern beans. Put that in there. For color. For a different color, you know? So you got the red beans and the white beans. You know, if you go back in time, the red man didn't like the white man. But you know, see, now you got the red beans mixing with the red beans and the white beans together. Here's some red kidney beans here. Reduced sodium. I like reduced sodium. Got the high blood pressure. You need reduced sodium. And then I got some Hunt's no salt added. Diced. It says diced. Looks like it says iced, but it's really diced. Tomatoes. Oh, that's a lot of tomatoes. I hope it's not too much. Okay, hey, I should put this on, right? Put that on high. I don't know, cooking on high for I think 4 hours. You know, some people you can cook it on low for like 6 hours. Oh, cooking on high for like 4 hours. If it ain't enough, I'll cook a little more, okay? So what we're gonna do is mix this all up. And you know what my spider sense tells me? My spider sense tells me that it needs more chili powder. That's what I think. Yeah, that's good. The wife's gonna like that. Okay. Man, that kind of smells good in itself, and to be honest with you. Just all that stuff together. I like it. See those happy white beans mixing with all the... I didn't have any black beans. That's that funny. There's no black beans in the cupboard. I don't know why that is. I thought I had some in there. Okay, see, it's looking good. It's almost looking like chili. Let's see if I get some more lights in here. That's better. Okay, yeah. See, this is good stuff here. Okay, now this meat here is just about done on the browning. So yeah, there's little red spots. That's fine. A little pink, I guess. It's browned pretty good. It's gonna cook anyway. So I gotta get this meat here into this crock pot over there. Let's give that a try. Turn that off. Turn the stove off. Turn it off, Johnny. Now, what I like about this ground sirloin, it does have grease in there. That's not all grease. Some of that's like oil. Some of it's water too, because it was frozen. You know, you get water out of it. I wish I didn't freeze it, but I kind of had to, you know, because I want to avoid going to the supermarket for some reason and breathing the tainted air. So I froze some meat in there, you know. I'm gonna have to drain this grease off. Yeah, I think the safest way is to just drain some of the grease off into this bowl here, you know. It's grease and water. I don't want all that in there, you know. I'll put it in here. So I'm gonna drain it off into this. Yeah, you want some of it for flavor, but you know, it's maybe a little too much. Drain some of that off. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot better. You know, I kind of wish I had, I need a forehead camera. That's what I need, a forehead camera. Gotta look into that. Put the meat into the bowl, Johnny. Get it in the bowl. Get in there. Come on. There you go. And we're gonna mix that all up. Mix that up. Sorry about the shaky there. Okay. Gonna mix that all up. Nice. It's not professional. It's not a professional video. Gonna mix it up real good. Oh, I forgot the onion. I gotta chop up the onion. Dang, I got one. I got one, I think. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Got an onion. I got me like a big sweet onion in here. I think I'll chop like half of this up. Yeah, I chopped up a little, slightly over half. And the rest of it, I could put into the fridge and save it for something else, like a salad or something like that, you know? These trying times, you know, you gotta use your head and save a little onion for something else, you know? And my wife really likes onion, so I'm gonna put this in there. And I like onion too, cause see, you know, like it's cooked. Well, like your onion is tender in the chili. When your onion's tender in there, then you pretty much know it's all cooked. So it's like a cooking indicator too. I like that. So you stir your onion in there. Stir up your onion. Get it all stirred up in there. And then cover this thing over. Cover it over. And let it cook for like 4 hours. Or about something like that. On high. That's what I like. 4 hours on high. I mean, you could do 2 hours on high and what would be like 3 hours on low? Maybe something like that. Or maybe 1 hour on high and 5 hours on low. I don't know, you can figure it out. Read the directions of your crock pot. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to do like 4 hours on high. Maybe I'll do 3 hours on high. Well, you get the idea. Never mind. Never mind. This is looking really good. Now you may think it looks dry, but what happens is like when this is cooking, it's going to get a lot more moist because the water is going to come out of the tomatoes and the onions and stuff. It's going to be great. So I'm going to cover this over. Cover it over, Johnny. Here we go. Cover this thing over. There you go. I'll come back in. I'll come back in about 4 hours. You just leave it. That's all you got. You don't have to stir it or nothing, you know? I guess you could stir it once, but then you let the heat out of it. You don't want to do that. I'll just let's stay covered for 4 hours, then I'll check it out then. Okay, I'm gonna pull this plug. There you go. Steaming chili. Put some in a bowl. I already had some. I'm just doing a reenactment. And I also made some cornbread muffins. And you know, the Indians had the word maize for corn. Did you know that? They also make heap good butter. There you go. Land O'Lakes. Oh, by the way, Land O'Lakes after 100 years is going to take the Indian lady off of the carton. After 100 years. I bet you someone complained about it, huh? No more Indian lady on the cover there. So just want to let you know, you know. So anyway, it's back to the chili. Gonna have a little bit of this here. Gonna have a little bit more actually. I already had some. And ooh, cornbread. Have some. Smells good, huh? Mmm. It's good. I outdid myself. Okay, friends. Have a nice evening. Stay warm. Make yourself some chili in a crock pot, because it's really good. You know, it's good for you too. So, take it easy. Bye.